Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice square root algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here guys, I'm going to share with you two methods that you can use to solve this right here. So guys, let's dive into method 1. Alright, so right here guys, for method 1, the first thing you want to do is to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of x minus 5 plus the square root of x plus 2, and this is equals to 7. So we want to simply square both sides. Now for the left hand side, we want to simply apply this property that says if we have a plus b all square, this is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So applying this property whereby we have a is equal to the square root of x minus 5 and b is equal to the square root of what, x plus 2. So applying this to the left hand side, we have this to be the square root of x minus 5 all square plus the square root of x plus 2 all square plus 2 multiply the square root of x minus 5 multiply the square root of x plus 2, and this is equals to 7 square, which is what, 49. So from here we have that this is going to cancel out this, so we have x minus 5 plus this cancel out this, we have x plus 2 plus 2 multiply the square root of x minus 5 multiply the square root of x plus 2, and this is equals to 49. But from the property of exponents, if we have the square root of a multiply the square root of b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply b. So we have this to be x plus x is going to give us what, 2x, minus 5 plus 2 is going to give us minus 3 plus 2 multiply the square root of, now for this we are going to have x minus 5 multiply x plus 2, and this is equals to what, 49. So from here we want to simply isolate 2 multiply the square root of x minus 5 multiply x plus 2, and this is equals to 49 plus 3 minus what, 2x. So for this we have 2 into the square root of x multiply x is x squared, x multiplied 2 is plus 2x, minus 5 multiply x is minus 5x, minus times plus is minus 5 times 2 is 10, and this is equals to 49 plus 3 is 53 minus what, 2x. So we have this to be 2 multiply the square root of x squared plus 2x minus 5x is going to give us minus 3x minus 10, and this is equal to, if we factor out 2 from this, we have this to be 26 minus what, x right here. So this is going to cancel out this, so we have this to be the square root of x squared minus 3x minus 10, and this is equals to 26 minus what, x right here. Alright, so from here we want to simply take the square of both sides, so we have this to be the square root of x squared minus 3x minus 10 all square is equal to 26 minus x all square. So we want to apply this property to the right hand side that says if we have a minus b all square, this is equals to a square plus b square minus what, 2ab, where we have a is equals to 26 and b is equals to x. So hence we have this to be 2 is going to cancel out the square root, so we have x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 26 squared plus x squared minus 2 multiply 26 multiply x, so we have x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 26 squared is 676 plus x squared minus 2 multiply 26 multiply x is going to give us 52x. So x squared is going to cancel out x squared, so we have minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 676 minus what, 52x. So collecting like terms, we have minus 3x plus 52x is equals to 676 plus what, 10. So minus 3x plus 52x is going to give us 49x, which is equals to 676 plus 10 will give us 686. So you divide both sides by what, 49 right here. So we have 49 cancel out 49, we have that x is equals to, so we have that 7 into 49 is 7, 7 into 686 is going to give us 98, 7 here 1, 7 into 98 is 14, so we have that x is equals to what, 14. Alright guys, so this is the first method that you can use to solve this right here. Let's simply go on to method 2. So we're going to say right here method 2, and we have the expression to be given as the square root of x minus 5 plus the square root of x plus 2, and this is equals to what? 7. So we want to simply isolate the square root of x minus 5, and this is equals to 7 minus the square root of what? X plus 2. So we want to square both sides right here. Squaring both sides, applying this property to the right hand side, that says if we have a minus b all square, this is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have this to be, this is going to cancel out this, so we have x minus 5 is equal to 7 square plus the square root of x plus 2 all square minus 2 multiply 7 multiply the square root of x plus 2. Alright, so we have x minus 5 is equals to 7 square is 49 plus this cancel out this, we have x plus 2, which minus 2 multiply 7 is 14 into the square root of what? X plus 2. Alright, so we have x minus 5 is equals to 49 plus 2 plus x minus 14 into the square root of x plus 2. So from here, we have that x minus 5 is equals to 49 plus 2 is 51 plus x minus 14 into the square root of x plus 2. So x here is going to cancel out this x, so we have minus 5 is equals to 51 minus 14 into the square root of x plus 2. So collecting like terms, we have this to be 14 into the square root of x plus 2 is equal to what? 51 plus 5. So we have 14 into the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 51 plus 5 is 56. So divide both sides by what? 14. So this we cancel out this, so we have this to be the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 14 here 1, 14 into 56 is 4, so we have this to be 4. So right here we want to simply square both sides to remove the square root, so this we cancel out this, so we have x plus 2 is equals to 4 square is what? 16. So from here we have that x is equals to what? 16 minus 2, and x is equals to what? 14. So this is the second method that you can actually use to solve this problem right here. So guys, let's simply verify to show that our answer is actually correct. So we have the expression to be given as x minus 5 plus the square root of x plus 2, and this is equals to 7. So we have this to be the square root of x is equals to 14. So we have 14 minus 5 plus the square root of 14 plus 2, and this is equals to 7. So we have the square root of 14 minus 5 is 9 plus the square root of 14 plus 2 is 16, and this is equals to 7. The square root of 9 is 3 plus the square root of 16 is 4, which is equals to 7. So 7 is equals to 7. Left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice square root algebra problem right here, and we have been able to find the value of x, and we have that x is equals to 14, and this is the final answer. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.